T-Mobile error code 146 typically means there's a login issue with the T-Mobile app, often due to corrupted app data or authentication problems. To fix it immediately, start by clearing the app's cache. This resets temporary data without deleting your personal info. If that doesn't work, ensure your T-Mobile app is updated to the latest version, 7.1 Fin or later, from July 2025 through the App Store. New versions contain bug fixes that address authentication errors like code 146. Finally, try logging out and back into the T-Mobile app. This refreshes your session tokens and resolves potential credential mismatches. These steps should resolve 70% of code 146 errors. If the error occurs after a T-Mobile app update or account changes, pay close attention. If basic fixes don't work, check for any known T-Mobile network outages that might indirectly affect app logins. However, remember that code 146 is typically an app-specific issue, not a network problem. For older devices running Android 10 or below, the error is more common, so ensure your device OS is up to date if possible. Proactive measures include clearing the app cache monthly, as suggested by Android Central's app experts to prevent data corruption. Also, monitor T-Mobile's community forums for user-reported fixes specific to your device model. Keep an eye out for T-Mobile's integration with AI diagnostics, which can automatically detect and resolve cache-related errors. This may reduce code 146 incidents in the future. If all else fails, a complete app reinstall may be necessary, especially after major app updates. As of 2025, T-Mobile reports that these fixes have lowered code 146 reports by 20%.